Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cheap suitcases is probably one of the most sought-after travel accessories for budget-conscious adventurers, balancing affordability with durability and style. In this video, we will explore the top picks for cheap suitcases, examining their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect travel companion without breaking the bank. Number 5. Rockland Expandable Luggage Set. This stylish luggage set is perfect for your next trip. Its expandable design gives you extra packing space when you need it. It features a large upright and a convenient tote bag. Both are made from durable, soft-side material. Effortlessly maneuver through airports with the smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle. You'll also appreciate the ergonomic grip handles. The fully lined interior helps keep your belongings organized and protected during travel. It's designed for easy packing and unpacking. With its generous size and thoughtful design, it's the ideal choice for any traveler. Enjoy worry-free travel with this reliable luggage set. Rockland is known for creating durable and stylish luggage. This set is no exception, built to withstand the rigors of travel. What we like. This luggage set is perfect if you need both a larger and smaller bag for your trips. It's lightweight and soft-sided, making it easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable option for your travel needs, this is a great choice. What people say. After arrival, I inspected the pieces thoroughly and found them to be well made. The wheels roll smoothly. The material is medium thickness. Not super heavy duty, but it looks like it will hold up. Number 4. Rockland 17 Rolling Backpack. This backpack is perfect for travel or everyday use. Its durable design and multiple compartments make it incredibly convenient. Maneuver easily through crowds and over various terrains thanks to its smooth double wheels. Effortless travel is now a reality. It boasts a large main compartment to hold all your essentials. Pack everything you need without worrying about space. Stay organized with the front pocket's built-in organizer. Keep your smaller items easily accessible. Quickly access water bottles or other small items in the convenient side mesh pockets. Perfect for on-the-go hydration. Carry it comfortably with the padded shoulder straps. Even when fully loaded, it remains comfortable to carry. With dimensions of 12 by 8 by 20 inches, it's the perfect size for a carry-on. It fits all your travel needs without being too bulky. What we like. If you're a student or commuter who needs a backpack that can handle your daily essentials and laptop, this is perfect. It's got plenty of pockets to keep everything organized and the wheels make it easy to roll around. If you prioritize organization and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. It is holding up nicely, still looks good, and is convenient. Well-made, sturdy material that looks like it will wear well over time. Fits a tremendous amount inside and has 2 mesh pockets on sides for water bottles, shoes, etc. It definitely took a beating throughout the school year, but it held up better than I had expected. It held a lot. Number 3. Rockland Journey Luggage Set. Get ready for your next adventure with this complete luggage set. It has everything you need for any trip, big or small. This set includes a 19, 24, and 28-inch upright suitcase, and a convenient 12-inch tote. You'll have the perfect size for every trip. It features smooth rolling skate wheels and an internal retractable handle for easy maneuverability through airports and train stations. Each piece is fully lined and expandable, providing ample space for all your belongings. Pack more without sacrificing organization. Made from heavy-duty 1200D polyester, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. It will last for many trips to come. With its combination of style, functionality, and durability, it's the ideal choice for frequent travelers. Start your journey today. What we like. This set is ideal if you need a variety of luggage sizes for different trip lengths. The expandable feature gives you extra packing space when needed. If you need a durable and versatile luggage set for all your travel needs, this is the perfect option. What people say. The size for the 3 suitcases are perfect, and the 4th item is a bag with a detachable shoulder strap, perfect for our bathroom shower bag. The zippers are sturdy, the pockets are perfect size, the retractable handles are gliding with ease, the wheels are perfect, the interior capacity is generous, and the straps on the interior to secure items are sturdy as well. Great quality, maneuvering is easy and the different sizes are wonderful for what he needs it for. The only defect I noticed was minor fraying on the strap of the largest piece. I trimmed with scissors and now it looks perfect. I rolled them around the house and didn't see any issues with the wheels. I packed the middle piece with my son's medical supplies weighing 40 pounds. It still rolled nicely after being packed. Also, I noticed on the other reviews that there were complaints about the luggage standing after being packed. I didn't have this problem, the luggage stood perfectly on both tile and carpet. Number 2. Coolife Carry-On Suitcase. This stylish and functional suitcase is perfect for your next trip. Its durable design and convenient features will make packing and traveling a breeze. Choose from our 20-inch carry-on size, featuring a handy front pocket, or the larger 28-inch option. Both offer ample space for all your belongings. It features a double TSA lock, securing both the main compartment and the front pocket for added peace of mind. Travel with confidence knowing your belongings are safe. Made from ABS plus PC material, it's both lightweight and incredibly durable. The textured finish helps protect it from scratches during your travels. The interior includes cross straps and mesh pockets to keep everything neatly organized. The 20-inch model even has a front pocket for easy access to your laptop and other essentials. With its adjustable 3-step telescoping handle and ergonomic grip, maneuvering it through busy airports or train stations is effortless and comfortable. What we like? This carry-on is a great choice if you value security and durability. The TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings safe, and the hard shell protects them from bumps and scratches. If you're looking for a secure and stylish carry-on, this is the one for you. What people say. The wheels held up on the rocky streets of Amsterdam, the sandy area walking and bumpy paths at the train station. I loved the security and ease of the TSA locks. It has nice compartments inside. The material of the handle and wheels is alright, it's not the most sturdy, but I think it will be fine if it's just going to be taken on the plane as a carry-on. I was really surprised and pleased that the front pocket fit my 15-inch gaming laptop and has a TSA lock for both zippers. The suitcase itself is sturdy, lightweight, and easy to maneuver, thanks to the smooth rolling wheels and comfortable handle. Plus, the white color looks sleek and stylish. Number 1. Rockland Safari Carry-On Luggage. Travel in style and comfort with our Rockland Safari Carry-On Luggage. It's the perfect blend of durability and lightweight design, making it ideal for your next adventure. It meets the size restrictions of major airlines like United, American, Delta, Southwest, and Allegiant. So you can easily bring it on board without any hassle. It's constructed from a lightweight yet incredibly strong polycarbonate material. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel while remaining easy to maneuver. Experience effortless mobility with its multi-directional spinner wheels. They glide smoothly over any surface, making navigation through crowded airports a breeze. It features a sturdy, ergonomic telescoping handle and an interior with a mesh zip pocket and an elasticated pocket for easy organization. Pack smart and travel light. This Rockland Safari carry-on is available in a stylish blue leopard print. Make a statement wherever you go. What we like? If you prioritize smooth rolling and easy maneuverability, this is the perfect carry-on for you. It's lightweight but still durable enough to withstand the rigors of travel. If you like a suitcase that's easy to transport, this is a great option. What people say. So easy to wheel in any way you hold it. Gorgeous leopard print on the inside with many organizing compartments. It rolls well and it is lightweight enough for her to manage on her own. It also is sturdy enough that being 6, she can bang it around a bit and it still looks like new. This will survive airport nonsense. It is distinctive and easy to spot on the luggage carousel, and employees TSA can yeet this thing around all day without damaging what's inside if packed properly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.